Welcome back to another video of Payonner. I'll be showing you the blog that they have posted up. The first step you want to do is to go to their website and click blog. You can see here that there are some categories. For example, I will be clicking freelancers. As you guys know, you'll get this pop-up. I'll say, download the free 2018 freelancer income report and find out. You can click one of their posts and you can see what is happening around the world. You can also follow them on Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. You can also look at their website by clicking the Earth icon. And you can subscribe to their blog, which is highlighted in orange. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the Weeds Coins page. You can find 150 pages. Thanks for watching and I hope you like this video.